Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to find all the documents you've sent on WhatsApp right from your computer. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it much easier to access your shared files, so let's get started step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it loads, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a series of icons. Find and click on the one that looks like a media symbol. This is where WhatsApp stores all your shared content, from images and videos to documents and links. After clicking the media icon, you'll notice a few different tabs across the top of the window. Choose the one labeled Docs. This section is dedicated specifically to all the document files you've either received or sent. You'll see them neatly organized right there, making it easy to scroll through and find what you need. Now, here's the key step to isolate your sent documents. At the top right corner of the window, you'll see a small sort icon. Click on it. A few sorting options will appear, allowing you to filter what you're viewing. From these options, select You. This tells WhatsApp to display only the documents that were sent by you, not the ones you've received. In just a few seconds, your view will update, showing every document you've shared through WhatsApp on that account. You can open, download, or organize them however you like. It's clean, simple, and efficient. No need to scroll endlessly through chats to find that one file you sent weeks ago. And that's it. By following these quick steps, opening the app, heading to the media icon, selecting Docs, sorting, and choosing You, you can instantly access all your sent documents in one place. If this helped you, make sure to stay tuned for more quick WhatsApp tips and updates and enjoy a more organized digital workspace.